What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we are installing our Swiss Tracks floors. So here we have 5 of the 8 boxes that are ordered for the garage. I believe another 2 will be arriving a little bit later, and we'll be able to complete the whole thing. We have a little guest today on the channel. That's Layla. That's my little girl. So I already did show you guys on the previous video. This is what they look like in the box. So I'm not really going to spend too much time talking about it, mainly because I spoke about it a lot in the previous video. For this one, I'm just going to start laying them down and show you guys the end product, because there's really not much to it. As mentioned before, I rented once again the Roberts cutter majigger. Don't even know what it's called, but it cuts up the tiles pretty dang perfect. So that's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna start laying them out. I'm just gonna start working my way that way first, all the way to the edge, and then most likely I'll start cutting when I get to this side. So we got 1 inch to the wall. Started putting one of these little edge pieces. I'm gonna continue all the way through. So this is what it looks like, the first sector. And then I'm gonna have to cut up just a little baby piece here. They say to leave a little bit of room when able, that way in the heat and cold it expands a little bit. But definitely want to make sure that it's a tight fit. So I'm going to go ahead and just finish all of those, the edge pieces, featuring Layla. So the other boxes have arrived. So for now, what we're doing is we finished the floor all the way, and we are now filling in this cap right over here. As you can see here, what I'm doing is I'm going square foot by square foot. I'm just kind of measuring each one. I think that's the best way to do it, to accurately get a good reading. using this guy right here. So, for example, we need, in this case, we need the outer parts, the male versions on the outside. That way, when we connect them, we will connect them. We're gonna cut it like this, and we're gonna connect them like so, just like that, and then snap. And then you want to make sure those other two little male prongs are out. That way you can continue connecting. And we're gonna grab our handle, push down. It's gonna cut it up very nicely. Grab our piece. Lift it up. Falls right in. Handy dandy hammer. Snap. Snap. Look at that. Fits like a glove.